Hi, good morning again. It's Miss Wicks. We are moving on to our language arts page. It is lesson 146, page 291 and 292. Again, just a reminder, don't miss out on our live chapel today. It is going to be at 9:30 this morning, which is a little different time. We usually do it at 11:30, but today we're doing our virtual award ceremony. So listen for your name and your award that you're receiving. All right, so language arts. Number 1, rewrite the sentence adding an adverb that tells how the action of the verb was done. So number 1 has been done for us. Ava sang a song. They changed it to Ava sang a song beautifully. So let's look at our next sentence. Liam and John helped. How can we change that and add an adverb to show how the verb was done? Well, the verb is helped. Liam and John helped. You could say cheerfully. You could say quickly. So you can use these. You can use any adverb you want. I'm thinking that I'm going to write Liam and John helped obediently. Okay, Mia rode her bike. How did Mia ride her bike? Our dog barked. How did our dog bark? Okay, I want you to do these two on your own. Come up with a adverb that describes the verb. Number 2, read the sentences, underline the verbs 2 times, and circle the adverbs. Draw a small arrow from the adverb to the verb it describes. All right, so first of all, we got to read the sentence. Christopher carefully carried Grandma's teacup. Okay, Christopher carefully carried Grandma's teacup. That's a mouthful. Underline the verbs 2 times. Okay, so where is the verb in this sentence? What does Grandma or Christopher do? He carried. That is the action. Okay, now we're going to circle the adverb. How does he carry? He carries carefully. All right, and then we're going to draw the arrow like it says to the adverb. Next sentence, Grandma took the cup thankfully. What did Grandma do? Showing action, she took. The verb is took. How did she take the cup? She took it thankfully. That's our adverb, which describes how she took the cup. Next, Christopher and Grandma ate their blueberry muffins and tea happily. Okay, so Christopher and Grandma did what? Showing action, they ate. That's our verb. How did they eat? They ate happily. That is our adverb. And this is going to go all the way back, showing that it's describing ate. How they ate. Number 3, write a verb to go with each adverb. So I'm going to let you do this on your own. Okay? What verb would go here that would go well with loudly, gladly, famously, or kindly? So you're going to write an action word, a verb in these lines, okay? You could say sang loudly, chewed loudly, clapped loudly. Okay? For dictation, you're going to write 2 sentences, okay? These are interrogative sentences, and they will need correct punctuation at the end. Remember to start your sentence with a capital letter. First sentence, can you play baseball? Can you play baseball? Second sentence. Will you teach me how? Will you teach me how? Okay, remember they're interrogative sentences. They need proper punctuation. Moving on to the back. All right, this is our seat work side. Number 1, add the correct prefix to each word by writing un or re before the root word. Taking the dishes off the table. If you're taking them off, you're going to remove them, right? Remove. Open the zipper on my jacket. What are you going to write here? Un or re? Read the rest of these sentences. Complete them on your own. This is seat work side. Here in our box, it says remember. When the suffix full follows a root word, it means full of. When the suffix less follows a root word, it means without. Also, when you're writing this suffix ful, do not add a second L. Some of you were writing full. That is not correct. Okay? So full means full of. Less means without. Add the correct suffix to each word by using full or less after the root word. Leaving toys all over the floor is it careful or careless? It's careless. Someone could get hurt. If you leave toys all over the floor, someone could get hurt. It's careless. Okay? I want you to read the other 3 sentences. Complete those on your own. Now, our next box says, remember, antonyms are words that are very different. They are sometimes called opposites. So, number 3, read the words and unscramble the antonyms. The first letter of each word is red. So, noisy. They want us to tell them what the opposite of noisy is using these letters to unscramble, and Q is the first letter. Q, what is the opposite of noisy? It's quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Did we use all of our letters? Yes, we did. Noisy and quiet. I want you to complete the rest of these on your own, making sure to unscramble the opposite, the antonym of the word here. Okay? All right. Thank you.